Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study lecture number 2 from Hazrat Ali, and today's lecture is about that how Hazrat Ali was elected as a Khalifa of Islam. Let's start studying the topic. First of all, you need to write down the start. Hazrat Ali actually he became the 4th Khalifa of Islam. He held the office at very crucial moment when there was total chaos and disorder in Islamic community, and Hazrat Usman was just been martyred by the rebels. Before starting the events, you need to have the background of this election. First of all, what was the situation at Medina? There was a total state of confusion and anarchy within Medina because rebels of different parts, Egypt, Kufa and Damascus, not from Damascus, basically Kufa, Basra and Egypt, they were there. They laid the siege of the Usman office, and in the end actually he was martyred. So when Hazrat Usman actually he was martyred, there was no government was over there. So 4 days actually passed without any Khalifa. So at that time Islamic State was without any kind of a ruler. So because this was done by the rebels, so that is why they want to go back to their cities. So they thought that actually before leaving the Medina we need to select new Khalifa of Islam. So it is important that Khalifa should be selected in our presence. So different people actually nominated different people. For example, one group nominated Hazrat Ali, second one nominated Hazrat Talha, and the third one was named the Hazrat Zubair. So every group actually nominated their candidate, but Hazrat Ali he declined the offer because he was given offer by the Egyptians, but he did not actually accept the office and he declined to hold the office. Then later on Hazrat Talha and Zubair also declined the offer as well, because everywhere actually within the state there was a rebels all around, so it was very difficult for someone to hold the office. So up to that moment there was total complete deadlock. No one was ready to accept the office of Khalifa. So when the rebels saw this, so they gave the ultimatum of 4 days. They said actually if you don't select any Khalifa, we are going to do something very bad. We are going to take some drastic actions. So that ultimatum was given to the public by the rebels. So when this news spread within the Medina, all Muslims actually gathered in a Masjid Nabi. So they were very worried about the situation, that they do not know actually what's going to happen. So Egyptians were also over there. The people rebels from Egypt, they were also over there. They said actually Khalifa must have some specific qualities. Okay, what are those qualities? They said Khalifa must be learned, brave, pious, and must be close to the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. So basically if we see these qualities, all these qualities being fulfilled by Hazrat Ali. So people actually requested him to hold the office. So Hazrat Ali actually he was not agreed to hold the office, but on the pressure of the people, you can say on the opinion of the people, for the sake of Islamic State, for the sake of the Medina, he accepted the offer. All people took bath on his hand actually. This is how Hazrat Ali actually he was elected as a Khalifa on the 25th of Zilhaj. So actually this is how Hazrat Ali actually he's been elected as a Khalifa of Islam. So my dear student, you need to go through from all sources, you need to study, make the notes, and you need to write down all the important information. Tomorrow inshallah we are going to study the next topic. Until then, Allah Hafiz.